program. Well, this evening I'm gonna show you on a basic step and a basic way how you can do some lovely barbecue ribs at home. Well, this way I'm gonna do it is gonna be simple, guys, and you know, just to make life a little bit more simple. And you know, time is cold, you know, I mean, the snow falling, a lot of things going on at the moment. You wanna come home and do something very quick for the kids. So guys, thank you for your subscribing, thank you for your comments, thank you for everything what you're doing for Chef Ricardo. And I wanna say, without you, nothing can be done. So I have to big up you guys, I have to tell you thanks. Well, I'm gonna show you how to do the barbecue ribs, and this is the best way. And this is from Chef Ricardo. Thank you very much. Right here, I have some barbecue. I got some ribs which I did cook for me yesterday. I'm gonna show you teach you something, guys. The best thing when you wanna do like a barbecue ribs is to cook it from the day before and make it look like this. So what I did, I boil off this into some water, season the water with some spring onion, white onion, garlic, and put a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, meat seasoning inside of it. Lovely. In this bowl, I got a big bowl which I'm gonna simple put some barbecue sauce down inside of it like this. The barbecue sauce come into a bottle. You can get it at any local shop, supermarket. You can get the barbecue to buy. Then next, simple put some honey inside of the barbecue sauce like this. And also put a little bit of sugar. Nice. So as you can see, I got a oven tray right here. What I'm gonna do is to dip it straight inside of the sauce like this with the honey. And put it inside of it like this. And I'm gonna do all of them like this. And I know you guys will love this one. So, but as you can see, what I'm doing right here, guys. Get the color. Barbecue ribs. Lovely. Then after you do this, then simply put it inside of your oven. Preheat your oven first, guys. And put it in there for roughly 20 minutes. Nice one. As you can see, it's looking so lovely and nice. Just the color you can see. And as you can see what I'm doing at the moment. So what happened now, the honey and the sugar gonna dissolve it and it's gonna get really sticky. Just sticky and nice. They're gonna bring a nice flavor to it. Beautiful and nice, guys. As you can see, lovely barbecue ribs. Next, the extra sauce I leave, just simply squeeze it out on it, just like this. So as you can see, that's finished right here, guys. Look at that, beautiful and nice. Enjoy the recipe. Now I'm gonna put it inside of the oven for 20 minutes. Gas mark 6 or 7 is good. If not, you can use a different oven. 175 is really good for it. Enjoy the recipe. Just take it from the oven, guys. As you can see, the few little colors around it and even a little brown around it. But it's such nice, easy, quick way to do a lovely barbecue ribs at home. You just put it in the oven for a nice good 20 minutes. But look at it, really nice. And hopefully you like the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I'm gonna put them into a bowl now and make you guys see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, just transfer it and put it into a bowl and look at it now, the difference. So looking lovely and nice. Chef Ricardo today. Bye bye.